Good morning to all. My name is Indira. I am coming from Amravati. My education qualification is B.Tech and BLIC. Today I am teaching first class maths. Before that I will ask some questions. How many fans are there in this class?
Two teacher.
How many windows are there in this class?
Three teacher.
Three windows. How many tables are there?
One teacher.
Okay. See, in our daily life, most of the time we are using numbers. Most of the time we are using numbers. Today my topic is about numbers. Numbers. Now let us write numbers. Say along with me numbers from 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, these are the numbers. Okay, we are having names. Like that, numbers also having names. That names are called number names. See, what is this number name? This number name is ONE 1. This number name is TWO 2. What is this number?
3.
What is the number name of 3? THREE 3. Next 4. What is the number name of 4? FOUR 4. FIVE 5. Next 6. SIN 6. Next 7. SEVEN 7. TIJJE 8. NINE 9. These are the number names. Okay. Next I will say about the before number, after number, between number. Before, after, between numbers. See, before number, now I will choose 3 letters from alphabet, any 3 letters. For example, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. These are the 3 letters in alphabet. In these 3 letters, Y is the between letter. Y is the which letter? Between letter. Next, Y before. Before means in Telugu, mundu. Okay, Y before. Which letter is there? X. X is the before letter. Next, Y after. In Telugu, after means tarvata. Y after which letter is there? Z. This is the after letter. Like that in numbers also. Before letter, before number, between number, after number is there. Okay, now I will select 3 numbers. Any 3 numbers. Say Ramya with 3 numbers from 1 to 9. Any 3 numbers?
2, 3, 4.
2,
3, 4.
4. 3 numbers. Which is the between number?
3 is the between number.
Which is the between number?
3.
3 is the between number. 3 is the between number. Next, which is the after number? 4. Which is the after number?
4.
3 after. 3 after. Which is
4.
the after number? 4. 4 is the after number. Next, which is the before number?
2.
Before number of 3?
2.
Before number of 3 is 2. Okay, like this we have to identify before number, after number, between number. Next, big number and small number. How to we identify big number and small number. Big number and small number. See, suppose I will take any two numbers from this 1 to 9, 7, 8. In between these two numbers, which is the big number, which is the small number? How do we identify means more number of things which number has, that is the big number. Less number of things which number has, that is the small number. See, which is the big number? Here, suppose I will draw the sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this 8 has 8 sticks. In 7 has how many sticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 7 sticks and here 8 sticks are there. So which one is the big number? Which one has more number of sticks?
8.
8 number has more number of sticks. So that's why we have to choose 8 is the big number than the 7. 7 kanna 8 అనేది big number. Which is the small number? 7. Like that we have to identify which is the big number and which is the small number. Next, comparing numbers with the help of three symbols that are greater than, smaller than and equal to. Comparing numbers. Comparing numbers by using greater than, less than or equal to. By using these three symbols, we have to identify which is the big number and which is the small number. Then you know the big number and small number, you choose these symbols. You don't know big number and small number means you can't identify which symbol you have to choose. Okay, suppose I will take, see, this is the greater than. Greater than. What is this symbol? Greater than. See how like is there this symbol? Alligator mouth open like is there. Okay, mouth open like is there. Number after, any number here is there means after open mouth. Open mouth symbol is there means that is greater than. Any number after closed mouth. See, alligator mouth. Food is there means mouth will be open. Food is not there means mouth will be closed. Closed. Number after closed mouth symbol is there means that is smaller than or less than. Smaller than or less than. Smaller than or less than. Next, equal to. Two lines, small lines, sleeping lines are there means that is equal to. These are the symbols while we are comparing the two numbers. Suppose I will take two numbers 5, 4. In between these two numbers, which symbol we are using? How to identify? First, you know the big number and small number. Then only you have to choose this greater than, less than or equal to. See, first number, this is first number and this is the second number. First number is 5 and 4 is the second number. Which is the big number? 5. Okay, 5. More big number. So that's why which symbol we are using? Greater than. 5 greater than 4. Suppose both numbers, first number and second number, both are same. Then which symbol symbol we have to use equal to. Both first number and second number both are same. Then how to compare? By using equal to. Next 2 4. First number is 2 and second number is given 4. By using which symbol we have to choose? First number is 2. 2 is the small number than the 4. 4 kanna 2 anedi small number. So that's why which symbol we have to use? Smaller than or less than. 2 less than 4. 2 chinnadi 4 kanna. What is the meaning of 2 less than 4? 2 ane number small number than the 4. Like that we compare the numbers. Next, places in numerals. Places in numerals. See 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 0 to 9, each number has only one number, one digit. So that's why these numbers are called one digit numbers or single digit number. Okay, after 9 we are having two digit. Two numbers are there. Each number has up to 99. Two numbers are there. So that's why we will call it as two digit numbers. 10, 11. See, every number has two numbers. So that's why we will call it as two digit numbers. One digit number or single digit number. And 11 up to 99, two digit numbers. See, places in numerals. See, all these 0 to 9, only one place only is there. So that's why ones place number. These numbers are called ones place numbers. See, 1, 0. Here two numbers are there. So that's why here two places are there. In 10, two places are there. This is right side number is 0. Right side number. In 10 number, right side number is 0. Left side number is 1. Right side number is what? Is in which place? Ones place. Ones place. Left side number is 1. That is in tens place. Right side number is left side number is tens place. Tens place number. This is called 110. How like we call 110. 110. Here in this 10 only 110 only is there. Okay, 110 and 0 ones are there. Like that, see 15. In number 15. In number 15, right side number is 5. Left side number is 1. This is the which place number? Ones place number. Ones place number. And 1 is the tens place number. Tens place number. See how many tens are there here also? 110 only. 110 only is there. 110. 110 and 5 ones are there. And 5 ones are there. 110. And 10 are there and 5 ones. Okay, 5 ones are there. This is the places in numerals. When you know the places, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, then only we have to do addition and subtractions, mathematical operations. Without you don't know places, We can't possible. See next I will say about the addition. What is addition? Addition means to put things together. To put things together. Or joining. Or combining. Joining or combining. To put things together or joining or combining means addition. Addition means to put things together or joining or combining means addition. Okay, what is the symbol of addition? Or sign of the addition? Plus. What is the symbol of addition? Plus. What is this symbol? Plus. Instead of addition we have to write this symbol. Plus. What is that? Plus. Instead of addition we have to write the plus. See, in my right hand one pen is there. In my left hand two pens are there. Okay, now I have put together. Now I will put together. Then how many pens are there? 3. Total how many pens are there? 1, 2, 3. Total how many pens are there in my hand? 3 pens are there. Okay. Like that, in my hand 2 lollipops are there. I have 2 lollipops. And again my mother gave one more lollipop to me. Okay. 2 lollipops and 1 more lollipop. 2 and 1. Which symbol we have to use for addition? Plus. 2 plus 1 equal to. Okay, 2 and 1 make a 3 lollipops. 2 and 1 make a 3 lollipops. 2 plus 1 equal to total how many lollipops I have? 1, 2, 3. 3 lollipops are there. Okay. Next, I have 4 flowers. I have 4 flowers. And again I will add one more flower. Then total how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers are there. By adding we have to use plus. Here how many flowers are there? 1. 4 plus 1. How many flowers are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many flowers are there total? 5 flowers are there. Plus 1 equal to 5.
Teacher, you have drawn 6 flowers.
Suppose I will take 3 plus 4 equal to, by using lines. By using lines I will do addition. See, vertical lines I will draw. See, 3 here 3. First number is 3. 1, 2, 3. Next plus. How like we read 3 plus 4 equal to how much? See, next 4. How many lines you have to draw? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 3 plus 4 make how many? You have to count the total lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total how many lines are there? 7 lines are there. Like that, in different ways we have to do addition by using fingers, by drawing lines, by using number line. Different ways we have to do addition.